Be good listeners, please, for Lynn.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Do you always set an alarm before you go to bed?
Yes.
Do you usually wake up from the sound of an alarm?
Yes.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Yes, and the sound of an alarm always bothers us, right?
Oh.
Yes, anyway.
Just wait.
What?
Do you know this sound? Yes. Stop. If someone asked me which song I hate the most, I would say the song on my alarm. Even though I hate this song, if I didn't set my alarm, I would feel uncomfortable. So I always set my alarm every day. And today, my awesome thing, but I prefer to wake up earlier than my alarm. So today, my awesome thing is when we wake up earlier than the alarm. First, I will tell you about my awesome thing, and that's 3 reasons why I think it is awesome. First, I can on unexpected time. Second, I beat the alarm. Third, the alarm sounds don't bother me anymore. Okay, let's see it together. First, my awesome thing. As I said, my awesome thing is when I wake up earlier than my alarm. Every night, I set my alarm. I set 4 to 5 alarms because just I want to make sure. Set alarm for 7, 7:05, 7:10, and 7:50. Yes. But if I don't set them, I feel worried or uncomfortable. But every time this alarm sound bothers me. Oh, so crazy. Yeah. My alarms ring for 30 minutes before I finally wake up. So it's so crazy. But sometimes I wake up before my first alarm goes off. I woke up before my alarm this morning. Can you guess my feeling? Awesome. Yes. Now you know my awesome thing. Next, I will tell you about three reasons why it is awesome to me. First, I can on unexpected time. Second, I beat the alarm. Third, the alarm sounds don't bother me anymore. Okay, first reason. Yes, I can on unexpected time. It's wait. Yes. Cute. It means I don't need to be in a hurry. So it means I don't need to run to the bus stop. Yeah. and get up from this sound, it's expected time. But if you get up earlier than an alarm, it's unexpected time. So it makes me happy. So that's why it is awesome. And next, I feel I beat the alarm. It's a little bit ridiculous. It's a little bit ridiculous thing because yes, it's a little bit childish, but I think it's human's natural feeling. Competitive spirit makes my day more energetic because I have already won against something as soon as my day starts. It's awesome. I win. And and third, the alarm sounds don't bother me anymore. As I said, I hate alarm sounds. But even though, sometimes I set my favorite song on my alarm, but I don't know why, but every morning, I don't know, it became one of my hate song. I don't know what happened to me, but yes. So if you want to try, you can try. You will be hate your song. Yeah. And sometimes, alarm sounds give me a heart attack. Like, something, what? Like that. So, but if we get up earlier than alarm, we don't need to hear this alarm sound. So it's awesome. And now you know my awesome, the reason why it is awesome for me. If you get up earlier, no. Yes, it's more, it make my feeling more clear. And now you know my 3 reasons. First, I can earn unexpected time. Second, I feel I beat the alarm. Third, the alarm sounds don't bother me anymore. If you get up earlier than you expected, your life will be happier. Even just 1 minute, it will be awesome. Thank you.